Natabang winners together with our councilors and the members of the Execom of Kalayawan 2024. Everybody say cheese! Yes, we'd like also to call on all the department heads to please join them. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, all the department heads to please join them. All department heads, please, together with our Honorable Mayor and of course our 11 ethno-linguistic tribes and our city councilors, of course our Honorable Vice Mayor and all members of the executive.